I'm the founder of Felino Cars. I'm a former race car driver, been racing in a lot of different cars, mainly in Formula cars, in Formula Atlantic, Grand Am, the Rolex Series, stuff like that. I even had the chance to win the Most in Indy in 2005 over here. I decided to stop racing to build a car company. Super good idea. So for the past 10 years, we are, the idea arrived 10 years ago. And actually 5 years ago, we started to produce those cars here. And we're launching it today, the 2020 cB7R. Felino is a 700 horsepower car, HP with 2,500 pounds of weight. So super agile, super powerful. So it's a driver car. It has a DNA of a race car. Even the seats are molded to the driver. So you're laying down in that car a lot like in the Formula cars. Those cars are tailor-made to the driver that buying our cars, from the seats to the engine that we put in there to the gear, depending if he wants to go more on the track or more on the road. Those cars are legal, street legal, of course. There's only 10 of those that we produce before we change design. So this one's going to be produced in only 10 pieces. We have the CB7 Plus that's coming out this season. That's going to be his big brother, so it's going to be quicker, meaner, more luxury. So it should be out soon. The date is going to be unveiled pretty soon. So guys, I'm very happy to be here today. I hope you like the car. If you want to come in and see the inside, no problem. Thank you guys.